If you like the great outdoors, Washington State Parks is now hiring park aides.
What's a typical day like for park aides at state parks?
Favorite part of the job is that you're never stuck doing the same thing all the time. It always changes. You might have a weed eater in your hand one week and plumbing tools the next.
There is no typical day in the day of a park aide. We have our bases that we always do, like cleaning bathrooms, which is really fun, and maintaining trails. But other than that, every day is a surprise. I come in and I'm either pulling out a chainsaw one day and the next day I'll be driving around the 1-ton. So it's always exciting and it's never a boring day.
One of my rangers comes out of the shop with a big drill in her hand and she's like, "We're working on the dock today." And we were pulling and yanking and unscrewing and re-screwing and just all that fun stuff. I'd never done anything like that before.
My time as a park aide has been really enjoyable. Apply now and come work with us.
Find out more or apply today at www.parks.state.wa/jobs.